Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be creating this fun black smoky eyes with a pop of blue in it. For a daytime look, if you're not bold enough to wear a black smoky eyes, you can switch the color to a brown smoky eyes. The same techniques applied to all colors. You can switch the colors whichever you like. Let's get started. I'm going to be prepping my face with the Nutriderm moisturizer and Laneige lip balm. I love them both, and I'm using Miss Clay eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown to fill up my eyebrows. I love this eyebrow pencil. It's very affordable, in 120 30 somewhere aroundish. I love it because it's very pigmented and very long lasting. I filled in the eyebrows as usual, and if you haven't done your eyebrows, you can use a concealer which is lighter than your skin tone. I'm using PAC's Spotlight Concealer here to cover up all the excess hair you have around your eyebrows. This even helps in highlighting your eyebrows and stand out even more better. I like this way of eyebrows more. If you feel like you want more natural, you can use more thin eyebrow pencil and you can use hair strokes. I'm taking a black kajal from K Beauty and just scribbling it all around my lid, just keeping it under my lids, under my crease, and taking a black eyeshadow and just tapping and pressing the eyeshadow on top of the black kajal we applied. Taking a brown eyeshadow from MAC and a very small precise blending brush which is from Beautylicious India, which is a very beautiful brush to blend out the harsh edges in a smoky eye. I'm using that brush. I got it from an Instagram store. I'll put the link in the description box down below. Just blend the edges with the brown, and I'm applying the black again to blend both the colors together till I'm happy with the blending. Now you can see the difference between both the eyes. Now I'm taking a much more lighter shade and blending out the edges even more to make it look more seamless, and we don't want any harsh lines in a smoky eye. I'm taking Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer and applying it on my face, and I'm color correcting with my orange color corrector from Makeup Revolution, the usual areas where we color correct, where we have darkness. I'm taking a dense packed brush and just blending all the orange concealer. I'm taking the Forever 52 foundation in the shade FLF003. This is the first time I'm using this foundation. I'm just loving the coverage. I'm loving the finish of this foundation, and it's a perfect match of my skin tone. I'm taking the PAC Spotlight Concealer again and highlighting the center parts of the face, like under my eyes. When you're doing a black smoky eyes or any dark eye, please try to brighten up the face using a lighter concealer, because that will make the eye looks more, because that will make your eye more pop. Blend it seamlessly. I'm taking the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop powder in the shade Banana, and I'm baking under my eyes where I usually tend to get oily. I'm keeping the powder there for 2 minutes. I'm taking a buffing powder brush and taking the powder and setting the remaining areas, taking away the baking after 2 minutes. I'm going to contour my face using the Miss Clay eyebrow palette, the second last shade. It's a beautiful shade to contour. I'm contouring the usual areas like under my cheekbones, my jawlines, my forehead. I'm taking the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter As you can see, I went overboard with the highlighter. I blended it with my finger. I'm taking the Nika's color eye pencil in the shade Blue Hex. It's a beautiful electric blue shade. I'm just loving this shade. I'm taking a black kajal and again smoking out the lower lids. Applying mascara. And for lipstick, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Ashton. It's a perfect nude for my skin tone. If you are any deeper than me, you can still make it work by using a dark brown lip liner. And ta-da, our look is complete. Follow me on my Instagram. Bye bye. See you all in my next video.